Alright, so now getting to the plunger switch. There is an orange, a white, a black, and a slate going that way. Then there's a white, a green, a brown, and a blue wire connected into here. The brown wire right here was connected to red from line 1. The blue wire was connected to yellow, I believe, of line 2. And the green was connected down over here. And I think that might have been connected into the turn key, but I'm not 100% sure. And this was black. I don't remember if this one, the white, is connected or not.